What's up, party people? Androidstud here, and I have the Huawei P20 Pro, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing and a first impressions of this phone. This phone's been talked about, from the camera to the design to the notch to many things. So let's take a look at it. I picked this up from a friend of mine. So this phone ranges in price from, it's pretty expensive. You're looking at around anywhere from $800 to $900 for this phone. This is the midnight blue one. Real nice device. This is the first time I'm getting hands-on with it. As you can see, it's got that midnight blue. It's real nice. Man, this is not bad. Not a bad device at all. As you can see me in the camera there, it's got a glass design. This is 6.1 inch display, 1080p by 2240 pixels. It has one of the things that everyone talks about when it comes to this device. It's the triple camera that it has on the back. It has a 40 megapixel, a 20 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel on the back. The 40 megapixel is 1.8 aperture. The 20 megapixels black and white, 1.6 aperture, and the last one is 8 megapixel, 2.4 aperture. And then you have the front-facing camera on this bad boy, which is a, believe it or not, the front-facing camera is a 24 megapixel, 2.0 aperture camera. So this is a pretty heavy hitter. It's an IP67 certified, so it has some waterproofing on it, as you can see. But this is, and then you have the talked about notch there. But you can get rid of the notch in the software, so that's a good thing. So we'll have to see how that works out. And man, it's a really beautiful looking device. I'm not gonna lie, not bad at all. I like the screen on it. It's a real large display, 6.1 inches. There is no headphone jack. You have stereo speakers on this device, and you got your power on and off button here, volume up and down on that side, your SIM card here. And this gets obviously all the bands in the United States. Huawei, a lot has been talked about Huawei, so we're gonna see, man. It's apparently supposed to take some really impressive photos at night, so we're gonna check those out. We're gonna give it a whirl and see if that's the true meaning of life. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'll be right back. All right, so I got this all set up, got my SIM card in here ready to go. And one of the things, like I said, it's got the triple camera, which is awesome. You have the fingerprint reader right here on the front, pretty fast. Been using it here for a sec, and it's really fast. This also has face unlock on this phone, so it unlocks with your face, which works pretty good from the little time that I've been using it. So, but all my apps are downloading on here. You got the Google Messages on here. It seems very smooth. I'm not a big fan of MUI, so this is going to be a big test for me because I do not like MUI. But I'm curious about this phone, curious about the cameras, curious about a lot of different things. So I want to try this bad boy, give it a ride, and see what it's got. It's running obviously Android 8.1 out the box. It's also running MUI 8.1. So this is a pretty heavy hitter phone when it comes to specs. You're looking at 128 gigabytes of storage. I believe it has the Kiron 970 processor, in-house processor from Huawei. So this thing's a pretty heavy hitter when it comes to the specs. It has pretty much everything that you can ask for in a phone. It doesn't have wireless charging, and it's a 1080p by 2240, but this screen is absolutely beautiful. It's a lot of screen real estate. You do have the notch at the top. You can change that in the settings. When you go into settings and you want to mess with the notch, you can get rid of the notch, but I think I'm alright with the notch the way it looks. So you can hide the notch and it's gone, as you can see, or you could put it back, as you can see. So Nacho Libre in the building. but it is what it is. We're gonna ride out with the notch. I don't think it bothers me as much as maybe it bothers other people, even though I don't like it, whatever that means. But man, not a bad phone. I'm gonna give it a ride. It's got the I want to try out these cameras. I'm interested in them. Feels a lot like a iPhone 10. It looks, I guess it looks like one more than it feels like one, because obviously it's running Android. But you know, it is what it is, and we're gonna see, man. This is the Huawei P20 Pro. A lot has been talked about this phone, but it is sexy as hell. I'm not gonna lie. Very beautiful phone. Obviously, these cameras are insane. Holla. It has the triple cameras. I'll be checking those out. Those seem like they're just gonna be insane. So just check it out, man. This is the Huawei P20 Pro. Pretty quick shooter there. But we're gonna check them out, man. We're gonna go out tonight with the wife, check out some photos. Me and her out there doing our thing on date night. So we'll see. This is the Huawei P20 Pro. Tell me what you think. I know there's a lot of stuff on this device that I have to learn. So if you guys have this device and there's some things I should do, let me know. I'm running the Huawei launcher on this for right now. No app drawer, so we're gonna try to get the full effect of this. I'll probably slap Nova Launcher on here at some point, but we'll see. That's the Huawei P20 Pro. Quick unboxing and first impressions. Sexy. Real sexy.